Okay, so let's set up the partial fraction. Let's factor the bottom. And we get x times by x squared plus 3. So unfortunately, this is not factorable. So the setup will be a over x. That's not factorable, so we need to include the entire thing. And we need to put a degree 1 polynomial at the top here. So bx plus c. Okay, let's combine that. So x times x squared plus 3. Okay, so you get ax squared plus 3a. Here you're going to get a bx squared plus cx. Okay, so let's collect the x squares. So x squared, you get a plus b, and we get a cx and a plus 3a. Okay, a cx and a 3a. So the 3a must equal to this number here. 3a must equal to 6, so a is equal to 2. Okay, the c must equal to -1. Okay, and finally, a plus b must equal to 1. And since a is equal to 2, b must equal to -1. Okay, so now we can set up this integral to be a was 2, so 2 over x plus b is -1, so negative x plus, or actually another -1 all over x squared plus 3. Okay. Okay, so this is easy to get the antiderivative of. It's just going to be 2 ln of absolute value of x. Okay, this here, let's separate this fraction. Let's separate into a minus x over x squared plus 3 and another minus 1 over x squared plus 3. So that minus you can put at the front. Okay, so this here you can do by substitution. Let's let x squared plus 3 equal to u, then you get 2x dx equals to du. So x dx equals to half of du. Okay, so we get x dx here can be replaced with a half, okay, half of du, and the bottom will be just u. Okay, and this here, this is actually a slightly modified version of the derivative of arctan. So the key here is actually to divide the top and bottom by 3. Okay, so then you get this 1 over 3. You get x squared over 3 plus 1. Okay, so let me actually do this on the side here. So that's equal to -1 over 3. And I'm going to write it like this: x over root of 3 squared plus 1. Okay, so if you remember that if you differentiate arctan of x, that's equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared. You should see that this looks very similar to that. Okay. So what if I just change to arctan x over root 3? Then you get 1 over 1 plus x over root 3 squared, and chain by the derivative of x over root 3, which is 1 over root 3. Okay, so this here, right, must be that times by root 3. Okay, so arctan x over root 3 times by root 3, like that. Okay, so we just found the derivative of that. Okay. And this right here, of course, is just ln of absolute value of u. This was a minus root 3 over 3 arctan x over root 3. Okay, plus constant. Of course, this u needs to be replaced with, right, x squared plus 3. Okay, so that's the final answer.